Hey guys, Dudu here, and today, well, right now the hurricane's like the winds of the hurricane are crashing down my house, man. It's crazy. So again, about the video that I posted before this, please listen to your parents. Listen to them, and tell, make sure you do what they say. And I have nothing. I got nothing. I'm serious, guys. I have nothing. Just be careful. Because let me show you what just happened to my fence in my backyard. Look what happened. It's a little blurry. But look, you see that fence over there? You see that fence? Over there? It went down. Down. All the way down. That's why I'm telling you guys to be careful. So, that's all for this video. Peace.